Imagine you have two important projects. The first will bring you $500 this month. The second will bring you $5,000 over the next year. Most of us give both projects the same amount of attention. We put them on one to-do list, treat them equally, and feel productive as long as we're working on either of them. But the painful truth is that some hours are worth more than others. Some tasks move the income needle with tremendous effectiveness, while other tasks look important but are really just motion without results. Money isn't made from doing a lot of work. It's made from smart work. And organizing your Google Calendar intelligently is one of the most powerful ways to direct your hours toward what actually makes money. In this video, we're going to learn how to turn your calendar from a simple scheduling tool into a system that increases your income. Let's start with the first principle. First, change how you think about your calendar. The first mistake is that you put small tasks in your calendar, a call here, a meeting there, and leave the big tasks, writing your book, building your product, marketing, floating in the void of, I'll do them later. Later never comes. What gets scheduled gets done. What doesn't get scheduled dissolves. The rule: the calendar isn't a to-do list. It's a system for allocating your precious resources, your hours, to what truly deserves them. Every hour you give to a task that doesn't lead to income is an hour you've taken from a task that would have made you money. Ask yourself, does this task in my calendar help me make money? If the answer is no, why does it occupy a place in your calendar? Second, the golden peak hours rule. Every person has hours where they're at the peak of their focus and energy. These are often early morning hours, but they may differ from person to person. Discover your golden hours. Observe yourself for a week. When are you most mentally clear? When do you finish difficult work with ease? When do you feel your ideas flowing? These hours are the most precious thing you own. Don't waste them on email or routine calls. The golden rule: reserve your peak hours for tasks that generate direct income. Writing, programming, designing, negotiating, building products, connecting with important clients. As for non-income generating tasks, replying to email, organizing files, unnecessary meetings, place them in your low-energy hours, often in the afternoon. Third, use the colors feature as a money map. Google Calendar allows you to color events with different colors. Most people ignore this feature, but it's a powerful secret. Create a color system connected to income. Green is for tasks that generate direct income. Writing an article that sells. Developing a product. Paid work. Blue is for tasks that build future income. Learning a new skill. Building an audience. Marketing. Red is for urgent tasks or those with deadlines. Gray is for routine administrative tasks. Email. Meetings. Paperwork. At the end of each week, look at your calendar. How many hours were green? How many hours were blue? And how many hours were gray? The rule: if most of your hours are gray, you're busy but not progressing. Redistribute your time. Increase the green and blue spaces and shrink the gray ones ruthlessly. Fourth, the money time blocked first rule. Most of us fill our calendars with what others ask. Appointments, meetings, commitments. Then we're surprised we don't have time for our real project. The solution: flip the order. Block time for your income-generating projects first, then let the rest fill with what remains. Here's how to do it. Open Google Calendar at the beginning of each month. Before you schedule any other appointment, block recurring hours for your financial project. Every day from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m., deep work on the project. Make these recurring weekly appointments. If someone asks for a meeting during these times, decline. These times are reserved like any meeting with an important client because they're more important. The rule: you don't need extra time. You need to protect your current time from leaking. Block money time first, and the rest will find its way. Fifth, use recurrence to build income machines. The most powerful feature in Google Calendar is the ability to repeat. Instead of creating a new event each day, create a recurring event. Create recurring income machines. Daily, 30 minutes to write an article or part of your book. Weekly, 2 hours to develop your digital product. Monthly, a full day to review your financial strategy. Recurrence turns your work from "when will I find time" to "this time is always dedicated to this." And over time, it becomes a habit. And habits build wealth. Why is this powerful? Because money flows from systems, not from moments. Continuous income comes from continuous work. And recurrence is what makes work continuous. Sixth, the side income tasks list. If you have empty hours that appear randomly, a meeting was canceled, you finished a task early. Don't waste them. Prepare a list of small income tasks you can do in 15 to 30 minutes. Reply to an email from a potential client. Write one marketing post. Improve your product description on Gumroad. Send a message to a previous client asking for a review. Learn a new technique that speeds up your work. Put this list in your Google Calendar description or in a side note. When a gap appears, return to the list immediately instead of browsing social media. 7th, review your financial week. Set aside 30 minutes each week, for example, Friday or Sunday, to review your calendar with the money lens. Ask yourself, which tasks took my time this week and led to nothing? Which tasks achieved real results? Where did the hours leak? What will I do differently next week? This review isn't a luxury. It's a compass that prevents you from drifting. Many people waste entire months on useless activities because they never stopped weekly to review their direction. The rule: those who don't review their time will waste the next week the same way. Here's the conclusion. The calendar is not an organizing tool. It's a profit tool. Most people use Google Calendar only as an appointment book, a doctor's visit, a client call, a family occasion. But the calendar, when used intelligently, becomes a map that determines where the hours of your life go. And hours are the only raw material from which you make money. Start today. Open your calendar. Color it. Block money time. Protect your peak hours. Make your income-generating projects recurring. And at the end of the week, review. Money doesn't come from working hard. It comes from doing the right work at the right time. And your calendar is what determines that. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel. And if you want a practical guide to building habits that actually stick, my book 40 Atomic Habits for Online Success is available on Gumroad. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.